Hello everyone, second video here. Today I'm going to show you about the economical order quantity, one of a simple, very basic way to explore that with code, which is the optimum quantity queue of an item to be purchased per order to minimize the combining, ordering and holding costs. So first of all, we're going to install the packages. Here we are not to use today this SymPy, but let's install it anyway here in the usual package, pandas, matplotlib and seaborn for the graphs. So the definitions here, let's start with the variables. The demand, annual, represented by D, ordering cost S, holding cost H. So the formula is that, and we can assume as an example a demand of 10,000 units, ordering cost of 5.45, holding cost of 2.97, and so on. So let's find the EOQ, the economic order quantity. Those other variables I'm going to use in the below formula, not right now. So we can hard code some values here, otherwise we would have to get real data or go more a complex approach. So let's start simple. Running the code here, just to evaluate the expression here, we get 192 units. So that's the minimum and the optimum quantity of 192 units. So let's plot here, which is exactly that graph. So what that means is, it means that at the month 0, I would start with 192 units, then 2 months would go by, it go to 0, and then we're going to get another or buy another 192 units, then it goes up again, and we get this pattern. But we can further explore that question, asking what's the minimum number of units I should keep in my inventory until reorder a new batch, which is the reorder point, instead of waiting to get to 0. In my stock I could calculate that reorder point, so I can reorder a little bit higher here and never go to 0. So that's the formula, and those are the variables: lead time, working days, safety stock and maximum stock. Here we are also hard coding some values. I will explore in some other tutorials, future tutorials, how to get those, especially here the safety stock, because there's a lot of ways how we could get that, but here we're going to just try these values, and as a reorder point I would get 2084 units, giving those values here of demand and so on. And also I could obtain the maximum stock, which is 2194 units that I should accept as the maximum number of units in my stock. So let's plot here in the graph the result, which is exactly that graph. I have here the safety stock represented by the red line, which is the 2002 units here, and also the max stock here, 2194, also the average stock, and mainly the objective here of the video, the cool stuff here, which is this purple line, which represents the reordering point of combined with EOQ. So I should always reorder here at the level of 2084 units right here, so I don't have to wait until my stock goes to the level of the safe stock or 0. That's it. I also put here some of other formulas that I should use in the future, so you guys can check it out. And that's it. Hope it helps anyone. So bye bye.